How many of us are guilty of folding our shirts stacked on top of each other in the drawer? And then when you're trying to find a shirt, the one that you really want is almost always on the bottom. Today I'm going to show you an easier way to fold and rearrange your shirts so that they are easily accessible. I'm also going to be showing you how to make your own t-shirt folding board for under $5 or even for free. Stay tuned. I'm Corey from This and That. Welcome to my channel. It's a relatively new channel, and here I'm going to be sharing recipes, DIY, shopping tips. I'm going to be sharing tips on how to save money and much more. If you enjoy my videos, I hope you will consider subscribing. So today I'm going to talk about how most of us fold our t-shirts. Most of us take all our t-shirts and we fold them into our drawers like this. They're stacked on top of each other, and when you want a shirt, almost always the one you want it's on the bottom. And you go through and you pull it out, and then you generally pull out half the shirts with it and you make a giant mess. So there is another way to fold your shirts that I have actually been doing for the last couple of months, because I was folding my shirts like this for years. And I just wanted a different way to fold my shirts so they were easier to find and they were easier to take out of the drawer. So file folding a shirt is taking the shirt, and instead of folding it like this in your drawer, you are going to fold it and drop it in this way. So when it's in your drawer, you will see all the tops of your shirt. It'll be easier to pull out the shirt that you want. It is a really big space saver as well, because most of us can't get our shirts nice and flat like this when we fold. Having a t-shirt folding board is a huge help in being able to get your shirts nice and flat, and you can fit them easier in the drawer so they're not so squished in that you can't pull them out. This is what my husband's t-shirt drawer used to look like before we tried the file folding method. As you can see, it's really hard to find any t-shirts. They're all piled on top of each other. And this is what his drawer looks like now. This is with the file folding method. You can see all of his shirts, and they're super easy to pull out. He loves it because there's no more rummaging around. He can find the shirt he needs. So today I'm going to show you how to make an adult size t-shirt folding board using foam board. You can also use cardboard. The foam board that I got was at Dollar Tree, and I used 2 pieces for $1.25, as well as duct tape. Most of us already have duct tape on hand, so you might already have some. If not, Dollar Tree sells it as well. Places like Walmart, Amazon, they have some really fun decorative duct tapes if you want to spice it up a little bit. I'm also going to show you how you can make a children's t-shirt folding board as well. So those of you who have little ones at home, if they're really small, like toddlers, like my daughter, I have to fold her shirt. Having one that fits her size t-shirts instead of using an adult one is much easier. If you have older children who are 5, 6 through 10 plus, this folding board will enable them to fold their shirts themselves, and they'll be nice and neat. The t-shirt folding boards are also great for those of you who do not have dressers or bureaus where you put your shirts. For those of you who have a shelf organizer in a closet and you do fold your shirts, but you want a neater way to do it, the t-shirt folding board will also help you so your shirts will be nice and thin, and you can stack more of them on top of each other, and they are neater to access. So let's go over how to make an adult t-shirt folding board and a children's t-shirt folding board. If you don't want to buy foam board for this project, you can use boxes that you might already have at home, and you can make this project for free. Let's get started. To make the adult board, you need 2 sheets of foam board or a large box, 1 roll of duct tape, a metal ruler, a utility knife, or an X-Acto knife. You will need to cut 2 pieces 28 by 10 inches and 3 pieces 10 by 9 3/4 inches. The first thing you'll do is take 2 of your smaller pieces and stack them on top of each other. The reason we're doing it this way is because we want a gap to be between the 2 pieces, so that way the board can fold easily. Make sure the pieces are aligned. As you can see, there's a gap between the two pieces. Next, you'll put another piece of duct tape in between the two pieces. You are then going to do the same thing you did with the other two pieces to the remaining small piece. Next, you're going to take your three pieces that you just attached and line them up to the large 28 by 10 size piece. You're only going to attach the very top piece to this board, and you'll see why when the t-shirts are folded, but you will follow the same method where you will place your tape down and then fold it over, make sure the top is aligned on both pieces. Next, you'll take your remaining 28 by 10 piece and you will do the same thing with this side as you just did with the previous, where you will only tape it to the top. There is one final step before the adult size board is finished, and that is to cut off the excess from the very bottom piece in the middle. And your adult size folding board is finished. To use your folding board, take the side that has a logo and place it facing down. Make sure the neck is at the very top of the board. Flip each side in and then fold up. As you can see, this t-shirt is folded nice and thin and nice and flat, and it's ready to go in your drawer. To create the children's size board, you need two 18 by 7 pieces and three 7 by 6 pieces. We're going to follow the same steps that we just followed with the adult board. Just like the adult t-shirt, the logo side goes down, the neckline goes right up to the very top. Fold each side in and then fold up for a nice flat t-shirt that will fit easily into your drawers. I hope that you enjoyed this video on file folding your t-shirts and how to make your own t-shirt folding boards for both adults and children. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, stay safe and be well.